we've got the BS001G, Makita's all-new 40V max belt sander. Let's check it out. This sander is part of the XGT platform and runs on a powerful brushless motor, so you can expect top-tier performance. It has a variable speed control dial with 5 speed settings. The belt itself measures 76 by 533 millimeters. Also, the belt's weight balance is absolutely spot on thanks to the battery's placement just above the belt. This ensures even sanding pressure throughout the task. AWS comes as standard along with a dust bag featuring an anti-drop mechanism, which is ideal when the tool is used vertically. It's got twin LED job lights with an adjustable 45-degree angle, making this tool easy to use in any conditions. And it is perfect for flush sanding. You can flush right against the walls thanks to an adjustable handle that moves 30 degrees backwards and 60 degrees forwards. One standout feature for me is it can be used as a stationary belt sander with optional clamps and guardrails, perfect for workshop setups. There we are, the BS001G, Makita's powerful 40V max belt sander, a tool that's built to handle the toughest sanding jobs with ease. We're looking at the new PS001G 40V max XGT scrubber polisher from Makita. Let's dive into the features. The overall length can be adjusted via the telescopic pipe thanks to the lever adjustment mechanism, allowing you to fix the machine at your desired position. The brush installation and removal is really easy. It's super simple, and with some light pressure and using the designated switches, you're good to go. If you need to clean things like wall edges or tiled floor joints, the splash guard is also removable to get you as close as you need to the area you're working on. The scrubber polisher features 3 speed settings: low, medium and high. An extension range of 354 millimeters, and it's also got constant speed control, anti-restart, and is IPX score rated. So there we are, the PS001G 40V max XGT scrubber polisher from Makita. We're looking at the new PP001G 40V max XGT steel hole punch from Makita. Let's look at the features. This machine doesn't require a hydraulic pressure hose, making it fully portable. One of the best features of this machine was the automatic punch return, meaning that once a punching cycle is completed, hydraulic pressure automatically pulls the punch from the workpiece and resets to its original position. The efficiency of this machine means that your working time is going to be reduced by about 46% compared to the 18V model equivalent. So you're going to get a maximum throat depth on this machine of 40 millimeters and 360 degrees rotatable motor section, so you can get set up in the perfect position. So that was the PP001G 40V max XGT steel hole punch. We're looking at the new TW002G and the TW003G 40V max XGT impact wrenches from Makita. Let's dive into the features. These machines feature the auto stop system, available in both forward and reverse rotation modes. The same 4-stage of impact power adjustment that you can choose from, giving you the option to customize the setting for the material that you're working on. You've also got 2 LED job lights, one at the base of the machine just above the battery housing and one just above the trigger to give you that extra bit of lighting when you're working. Looking at some spec, you're going to get 2,200 Newton meters of nut busting torque on the TW002G and 1,600 Newton meters on the TW003G. Both machines are suitable for standard bolts ranging from M12s up to M36 and high strength bolts from M10 up to M27. So there we are, that is the TW002G and the TW003G, two more of our new 40 volt max XGT impact wrenches from Makita. We're looking at the new TW010G and the TW009G, 40 volt max XGT impact wrenches from Makita. So let's dive into the features. These two new machines are coming straight in at the very top of our range, so you're going to get maximum performance. The main difference between the two machines is the anvil length. The TW009G has a shorter anvil, recommended for fixing steel building frames. The TW010G has a longer anvil, recommended for removing large wheels on heavy machinery. You've got an auto stop system that's available in both forward and reverse rotation modes. 4 stages of impact power to choose from, giving you the option to customize the setting for the material that you're working on. The handle features toolless installation as well, so this can be installed 360 degrees around the machine without needing a tool. As one final cool feature, you've also got an LED ring light around the socket, giving you a much better view of the workpiece. This can also be used as a torch for up to an hour. Looking at some spec, you're going to get 4,000 Newton meters of nut busting torque and a max fastening torque of 3,150 Newton meters. That's massive. It's suitable for standard bolts ranging from M27 up to M45 and high strength bolts from M20 to M33. So that was the TW009G and the TW010G, and new top of the range 40 volt max XGT impact wrenches from Makita.
Our brand new SKR001 rotary laser. When the job demands accuracy, the SKR001 steps in. Our new rotary laser offers 4-stage rotation speed settings, a scan mode for focus detection, and an 800 meter range when paired with a digital laser receiver. Need options? Mount it vertically or horizontally with screw holes on the back and bottom. Operate from a distance using the radio remote. And it's built tough, with rubberized handles in all 4 directions and a weatherproof upper section ready for rugged outdoor use. The best feature of all is compatible with your XGT, LXT or CXT batteries via an accessory tray. That was the brand new SKR001 rotary laser. Let's see what's next. Power when and where you need it with our brand new BCC01 battery charging case. Designed for map pack stacking, the charging case offers full portability with rotatable twin handles and an IPX4 rated design. You can store up to 8 batteries at once, with it charging one bank of 4 at a time. It supports 18 volt batteries via an adapter and features LED indicators for real-time charge status. So what are the timings like? It takes 75 minutes to fully charge a case of BL4020 batteries, up to 280 minutes for a full case of BL4080F batteries. It's super power efficient, only drawing 1500 watts, so you can plug 4 into one socket to charge up to 32 batteries while you sleep. That was the BCC01 battery charging case. Let's get into the next tool. Moving on to the new DTW1005 and TW011G impact wrenches. Both feature a long anvil and 3/4 inch square drive. The DTW1005 delivers up to 1,360 Nm of fastening torque and 1,700 Nm of nut busting torque. And the TW011G delivers up to 1,500 Nm of fastening torque and 1,900 Nm of nut busting torque. Take control with electronic 4-stage impact power selection. You've also got twin LED lights with pre and afterglow to let you work in low light. That's the rundown of our new DTW1005 and TW011G impact wrenches. Now our new XGT Orbital Mini Sander, the BO007CG. Attach your battery via a connector. Removing the weight from the machine gives you complete control. It's vacuum or dust bag compatible with a 2mm orbit diameter and a 93 by 185mm abrasive surface. It also works great with our new net type abrasive disc and sandpaper. That's the BO007CG 40V XGT Orbital Mini Sander. The new UB002G XGT blower. You've got a variable speed control via the trigger and 3 different speeds to choose from, which delivers up to 99 meters per second of air velocity, with up to 120 minutes of runtime depending on the setting. Compact, balanced, and it's even got a vacuum function, with dust bags available as an optional accessory. Let's get into the next one. The CL004G series boasts 4-mode suction control, a 250ml cyclone dust box, and a pro-grade floor nozzle. Electric rotary brush options, easy clean ports, tool-free attachments. TD004G impact driver delivers outstanding fastening performance for heavy-duty applications. At its core is a brushless motor capable of producing up to 230 Nm of torque. That means plenty of power for demanding construction and installation work. Standout features include one-touch installation. The reduced resistance makes bit changes faster and smoother. Twin LED job lights provide excellent visibility in low light conditions, with pre-glow and afterglow functions to illuminate your work area. For control, you've got a variable speed via the trigger, 4 selectable impact modes, and a dedicated T mode for thin metal sheets, helping to prevent damage and overdriving. Keeping your work environment clean is arguably just as important as the work itself, and that's where the VC013GL comes in. This cordless 40V max vacuum delivers powerful, efficient suction, strong enough to lift 3 500ml bottles. An increased motor size and faster rotation speed deliver a maximum sealed suction of 15 kilopascals and an airflow rate of 2 cubic meters per minute. Despite all that power, noise levels are still kept low. On a full charge, the runtime ranges from 22 to 120 minutes, depending on the settings. The tank capacity is 7.5 litres dry and 4.5 litres wet, ideal for a wide range of jobs. Optional accessories include filter and paper bag sets, wet filters, telescopic and bent pipe kits, caster sets, and complete hoses, giving you flexibility for any site condition. Next up, the HG001G heat gun, built for efficiency and precision. It reaches temperatures of up to 600 degrees, with an LCD backlit display for full control of air volume and temperature. The quick release nozzle system lets you change nozzles without touching hot parts. Other features include a lock-off lever, trigger, and lock-on button for continuous use. Applications range from shrink fitting and bending plastics to paint stripping and surface prep. Optional nozzles include wide slot, reduction, reflection, and glass protection, offering plenty of versatility outside of the box. The JR003G Reciprocating saw is made for large diameter pipe cutting and heavy demolition. The quick and secure chain vise makes thick materials easier to cut. The brushless motor ensures power and durability, and the adjustable stroke rate adapts to different materials. Blade clamp maintenance is made fast and simple with our XGT 40V Max Reciprocating saw. Let's get into the next one. For detailed grinding, the GD002G and the GD001G deliver high efficiency, around 40% more performance compared to 18V models. The slim grip keeps it comfortable. The shaft lock simplifies accessory changes. An adjustable speed dial and triple LED lighting gives you precise control for deburring, polishing, or shaping. That's our XGT 40V Max die grinders, the GD002G and the GD001G. What's up next? The TR001G, offering tying strengths of up to 180% higher compared to our 18-volt model. It handles a wide range of rebar diameters, fast and consistently. Wire reel loading is simple with linked cover and feed mechanism. Clockwise twisting minimizes loosening. Ideal for large-scale reinforcement or high-volume work. That's our XGT 40V Max rebar tying tool. The SC001G pairs perfectly with the tying tool. It cuts 16mm rebar in under 2 seconds, with reduced debris and improved safety. The rotating head improves access in tight spaces, while the brushless motor and hydraulic unit deliver reliable power. That's our XGT 40V Max rebar cutter, the SC001G.